In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for project management. We'll walk through a simple way to get started quickly using Wrike's built-in project management templates. This is perfect if you're new to Wrike, or if you just want a ready-made structure instead of building everything from scratch. First, open your Wrike workspace and look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to your personal settings, account information, and some helpful tools that Wrike provides. From that menu, look for the option called Templates and Solutions. This is where Wrike keeps a library of pre-built setups for different use cases. Click on Templates and Solutions. This area is really useful because it saves you from having to create folders, tasks, and workflows manually. Instead, you can choose a structure that's already been designed around common project types. Once you're in the Templates and Solutions section, you'll see different categories. Find and click on the category labeled Project Management. This category groups together templates specifically designed to help you manage timelines, tasks, and deliverables in an organized way. After you click on Project Management, Wrike will show you a list of available templates. These might cover things like basic project tracking, agile projects, or more detailed project plans. Take a moment to browse through them and read the short descriptions. Think about what kind of work you're managing. Is it a simple list of tasks, a cross-functional project, or something with multiple phases and deadlines? When you've found one that fits your needs, click on that template to select it. Wrike will usually show you a preview of what's included, such as example folders, sample tasks, and default views like Gantt charts or task lists. If it looks right for you, confirm your choice to add this template to your workspace. Once the template is added, you can start customizing it. Rename the project, adjust the tasks, assign owners, and set due dates according to your real work. The idea is that the structure is already done for you, so you can focus on planning and execution rather than setup. And that's it. By using your profile menu, opening Templates and Solutions, choosing Project Management, and selecting a template, you'll have a solid foundation for managing projects in Wrike.